Think it's about time I got a proper seat, don't you? Ooh, new seat. See what's the contents is hiding. Empty. Wheels, they're handy. Struts, keep my big ass off the floor. Ooh, tool tray for tools. Red seat for my hard bum. No instructions though. I don't think I use instructions anyway, so who cares? I'm gonna hazard a guess, yeah. They're nicely oiled. Let's see. These wheels go here. Doesn't come with bloody washers though, does it, for the Allen key bolt? Do you have trouble finding the hole? And there we have it. Reckons it holds 100 kilograms like. Feel the slide action on that. Whoa! Go where I want now. You can come with us on the magical ride. To fixing the bike or never getting it fixed. So there you go, even a place to hold your tools. Tool area, beautiful. So there you go. If you want to smash your ass off some concrete, get yourself one of these. You'll probably smash your ass off the concrete later on in life because it's from Temu. 20 quid. Actually, I don't think it was 20 quid, I think it was 12. Or 10. I think it was 10. So mention it matches the bike. Black and red, isn't it?